In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo an import in Zoho CRM. Whether you've imported incorrect data or simply need to reverse an import action, undoing an import can save you a great deal of time and effort. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you can confidently manage your data. Let's get started. Firstly, the capabilities to undo an import are available to administrators in Zoho CRM, so ensure that you have the necessary access rights before proceeding. We'll begin by navigating to the right section of the Zoho CRM interface. To do this, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Setup option. This will take you to a new page dedicated to configuration settings within your CRM environment. Within the Setup area, there is a section called Data Administration. This is where you'll find several options related to handling data within your CRM. Click on Import under Data Administration. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to a new page specifically dealing with data import activities. On this page, locate the Import History option and click on it. This is a crucial part of the process, as it's the place where records of past import activities are maintained. The import history provides a list of all recent imports, keeping entries available for up to 30 days. This time frame allows you ample opportunity to review and, if necessary, undo certain imports. Once you're on the import history page, you'll see a list of all imports that have been conducted in your CRM within the last month. To find the specific import you want to undo, take note of the import dates and details listed. When you successfully locate the import entry that requires undoing, move your mouse cursor over it. You'll notice an interactive option appears. This is either labeled as Undo Import or Rollback, depending on your version or regional settings. Upon seeing this option, go ahead and click on it. This action initiates the process of undoing your import. By doing so, all newly added records from that import are erased, effectively reversing any additional data entries made during the import. This feature is incredibly helpful when dealing with mistakenly imported data or when rectifying operational errors. It's important to note that this process of undoing an import will only affect data added during that import action. Any existing or previously entered data won't be impacted by this rollback. And there you have it. You've now learned how to successfully undo an import in Zoho CRM. This essential skill helps maintain clean and accurate data within your CRM, ensuring that your business operations remain streamlined and effective. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out other tutorials that delve deeper into optimizing your CRM experience. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your data.